A simpler makeup routine is where it's at, and the secret to a glowing, minimal look is a tinted moisturiser. I'm going to be showing you our roundup of the best tried and tested tinted moisturisers. If you like the sound of any of the ones we mention, links to the products can be found in the video description. First up is this cult classic, an award-winning Laura Mercier tinted moisturiser, which you can get for £35. You know it's good when every beauty editor across the land recommends it, and it's been an industry pick for a while now. Coming in 20 different shades, this gives a beautiful dewy finish, helped by its cooling texture that leaves skin invigorated. It's really easy to apply, just a couple of drops on your fingers and blend it, making it the ideal choice if you're looking for something to slap on and go. And the oil-free version has just been re-released to huge fanfare. Details of where you can buy it can be found in the video description. If you're a fan of Fenty, and who isn't, then its eaze drop blurring skin tint should pop straight into your collection. Available in 25 shades, the light to medium coverage is fantastic. And those 25 shades mean that this tinted moisturiser really covers everyone looking to use it. And they're all beautifully matched to a Fenty's foundation collection for complete coverage. We found pigmentation reduced and our skin looked smoother and lit from within. The 30ml bottle is a little on the small side, but it does mean it can fit into the smallest of bags as you hit the town, and it's a good price for £25. If you're looking for something a little low maintenance, this from Origins ticks all the boxes for just £32. It has SPF 40, so this formula really protects the skin from UV rays. When we tried it at IndyBest, we found it gave a great hydration and a natural looking finish. We love how the sheer releasing tint develops as you spread it over the face. With skin boosting ingredients such as coffee beans and Panax ginseng, this really wakes the skin up, and all you need is a drop or two to cover the face. If you're wondering where to pick this one up, or any of the others featured in this video, you can find links on where to buy in the description box below. If you're looking for a little luxury in your life, Decorté's sheer Brilliance is the one for you, costing £90. Reportedly a favourite of Kate Moss's, this gives a light to medium coverage that is great for recreating your favourite Insta filter. In our test, we found that this did dry quite fast, so we did have to work quite quickly to get an even coverage, but thankfully for the price, a little goes a long way. We found it to be a much more fluid formula than the others we tried, but loved how easily it could be swept across the skin for a sheer finish. We found it gave a lovely luminosity, and the slight mateness meant shiny patches aren't an issue. We would have liked to see a larger shade range though, as there are only 4 available. But if you do find the one for you, you can expect a fresh and radiant glow. But our top pick was Milk Makeup's Sunshine Skin Tint, which cost £39. Whatever magic Milk has used here, it works. This gives the perfect level of glow without leaving you looking shiny. The vegan-friendly formula has SPF 30 and we loved everything about it. It blends easily and gives the most radiant and natural looking glow, and the moisturising ingredients create a hydrated and youthful looking luminosity. The packaging won't be for everyone, coming in a rather clunky plastic applicator with a glass roller ball. It does feel like a lot of plastic, but Milk has just launched refill cartridges in a bid to reduce waste. We just absolutely loved it, and it was our choice for a natural glow that will look fab whether in real life or making the most of that work video call. Links on where you can pick it up or any of the other tinted moisturisers featured can be found in the video description. And make sure you check out the IndyBest section on the Independent's website for all our latest reviews to make sure you positively glow.